The brewing battle, filter coffee versus espresso. The aroma of a daily ritual. Each morning, millions wake up to the enticing aroma of coffee wafting through their homes. Yet within this world of coffee, lovers exists a passionate debate. Which is superior, filter coffee or espresso? For some, the choice may seem trivial, but for others, it's a matter of lifestyle and identity. Imagine yourself seated in a cozy cafe, surrounded by the chatter of fellow patrons and the comforting hum of espresso machines at work. You're faced with a menu that offers a variety of options, and suddenly your heart races at the thought of choosing just one drink. Will it be a smooth cup of filter coffee or a rich, concentrated shot of espresso? Both drinks hold stories, traditions, and flavors that spark endless fascination. The art of brewing, techniques, and preferences. Filter coffee is known for its gentle brewing method, utilizing a paper filter to separate the coffee grounds from the liquid. This method brings out subtle flavors and aromas, creating a lighter body that can be savored slowly. With each sip, you can taste the nuances, from fruity undertones to earthy notes, depending on the beans used and the brewing time. Espresso, on the other hand, takes an entirely different approach. Pressure is applied to hot water forced through finely ground coffee, extracting the essence quickly. This intense process results in a small, potent shot that packs a punch. The rich crema, a golden layer on top, adds a delightful texture and richness, making it a favorite for many. Espresso enthusiasts often appreciate the deep, bold flavors that come with a concentrated brew. Health benefits and myths. Both filter coffee and espresso have their health benefits, but many believe espresso has an edge due to its concentrated nature. However, interestingly, filter coffee may actually contain more antioxidants given its brewing process. Yes, you heard right. Filter coffee can offer a more wholesome health profile than the beloved espresso. This truth challenges the common perception that espresso must be the superior option. For those mindful of caffeine intake, another myth resides here. Many assume espresso is stronger simply because it's made in smaller quantities. However, ounce for ounce, filter coffee often has a higher caffeine content. The rich, intense flavor of espresso can mislead us into believing it holds more caffeine than it truly does. Culture and community connections. Culture plays a significant role in how people experience their coffee. In Italy, the espresso serves not just as a beverage, but as a social connector, often enjoyed standing at a bar. In contrast, the ritual of filter coffee brewing in Scandinavia emphasizes a slower-paced enjoyment, allowing for conversation and reflection. These choices reflect deeper values embedded in each culture. Sharing a cup of coffee can bridge gaps between people, fostering connections and sparking conversations. Whether it's the fast-paced espresso shot during a busy workday or the leisurely filter coffee enjoyed on a Sunday morning, both drinks invite us to pause and bond with others. Personal preference and the road ahead. Ultimately, the choice between filter coffee and espresso comes down to personal preference. Do you savor the experience of a carefully brewed filter cup, or does the swift energy boost of a shot of espresso entice your mornings? Each method has its unique advantages, catering to different lifestyles and preferences. Consider how each drink makes you feel. Does the smoothness of filter coffee allow you to linger in cozy thoughts, or does the boldness of espresso fuel your ambition? Either way, it's essential to embark on this coffee journey with an open mind and a sense of adventure. A world of flavor awaits. The world of coffee is undeniably rich and varied, inviting enthusiasts to explore beyond mere preferences. This flavorful expedition urges you to try different beans, brewing methods, and even preparation styles. The adventure can be continuous, from experimenting with various blends to discovering local coffee roasters or home brewing techniques. So, as you ponder your next cup, think of the exciting flavors waiting just a brew away. Could a cup of pour-over coffee soothe your evening, while an espresso could fuel your mid-afternoon productivity? The possibilities are endless. What about you? Do you lean towards filter coffee or espresso? And why? Share your stories and experiences. Your coffee journey could inspire someone else's.